Hi, welcome back to Mr. Moneyphone. My name is Ryan and today I'll be showing you how to change the date and time on your iPhone 13 Pro. First, we're going to go into the settings, go to General, and then go to Date and Time. Here, you can turn on 24-hour time. This can help if you're in the military and you go by 24-hour time. You can change it from being set automatically. At the bottom, you can manually change your time. You can choose the date on this calendar, and at the bottom, you can choose the time itself. I'm going to change it back to automatically setting the time, which is, for me, Eastern, New York. And that is how to set the date and time on your iPhone 13 Pro.